Hey folks, I'm exploring in an abandoned building here and I come across a cache of jars and bottles. Well, they even got the zinc covers on them. Atlas strong shoulder mason. It's got a ball cover on it. This bottle there. I don't even see a seam mark on it. You can see the stretch marks around the neck there. Cool. I don't think these other ones are that old though. Hard to say. That's an Atlas. 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 There's a ball there. Yeah, I think that's like from between the 30s to the 60s. I've got a diagram there that shows the logo pattern and what year it's from. I'll put that on so you can have a look, take a screenshot or save it or whatever if you don't already have it. What's that one? That's an Atlas. That's an Atlas. That's a ball. And that's an Atlas. There's a perfect seal. The top like that. That's a perfect seal. Different style. So we got McLaren's Sweet Wafer Pickles. Nice big square jar. There's a Sweet Relish Pickles. Devon, something. Another relish one. Might be able to get a better date from those. And anyways, so that's a good little find. Hey folks, so I did a quick cleanup here. I did one ball jar, one Atlas jar, and this blown bottle. I was quite excited to find those, since I haven't been able to dig all winter. So that was a nice surprise. Now according to the ball diagram, the logo, the ball logo, that coincides with 1933 to 1962. I didn't have any luck dating the other pickle jars. The bottom's got a bunch of concentric circles on it. And there's the Atlas, strong shoulder mason. That cleaned up nice. I know they say they didn't use manganese generally until after 1915, but to me that looks like it's got a purplish or pinkish tint to it. I don't know. Might be just me. I'll leave them in the sun and see what happens. There's the Atlas cap. Get it spun around there. There we go. See that? Inside it's got, we can make it out, the H/A there. Boyd's genuine cap. The Atlas. And then this blown bottle here, definitely blown, no seams. You can see the stretch marks around the neck there where the glass was stretched. There's all kinds of bubbles and blisters in it. Gives it lots of character. It's a nice greenish color, look at that. Bottom's concave. So yeah, so that's it. There's those 3 there for now. And I can't wait to get back out digging sometime soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you all later.